Okay, YouTube, we're going to be doing some head studs today. So basically what you do is you follow the original torque spec sequence one at a time and torque them to spec, so that way you don't warp the head or do anything that's going to cause any kind of issue. So you can see what I'm doing. I like to fully seat these because when you start torquing them down, they're going to want to twist down anyway, you know, so you might as well just get them pretty solid. Alright, got all the studs in. Now I just got to do the valve lash. There's plenty of videos out there to show you guys how to do that, so I'm not gonna, but I'll be right back. Alright, when you stick your injection lines back on, just make sure that the nuts are hand tight. See, you don't want them to stick like that. Otherwise your injection lines just aren't lined up properly. You can bend them and damage them. Just give them a little wiggle, they'll screw in. Easy. Alright, look at this mess, jeez. But same way you took them off with your 19 or 3/4 millimeter, put them back on, get them all snug. Leave number one loose so you can bleed the fuel when you go to start it. All good, head studs and a valve lash done. Alright, so the reason that I did those head studs and stuff like that, for the compound setup, you're going to be making a lot more boost. Obviously, you know a little bit about like how boost and stuff works and how it could affect your engine if you're into diesels or watching this channel or anything like that. But basically, you know, I wanted more clamping force, and the studs that I put on are roughly putting out like 18,000 foot-pounds or 18,000 pounds of clamping force on those things, and they hold it really well. For the boost numbers that I'm trying to reach, I definitely needed those, so it was like a very mandatory step that I needed to take to, you know, really get to the power number that I want to be at. For all the racing that I'm going to be doing this summer, like at Keystone Raceway and I think it's Ambridge. It's somewhere in Pittsburgh, whatever. And I'd also like to try out a couple tractor pulls and things like that. Not to win. I don't think I'll be winning anything like that, and I don't think I'll be the fastest truck out there. But I'm just coming out to, you know, do the best I can and, you know, kind of showcase what I'm capable of. So far right now, like Lucas picked me up like on an athlete account, and Summit's given me you know, a free pro account. So it's not like full sponsorships or anything like that, but someday, you know, I'd really like to do this full time. And then, you know, I'm just a little guy with a big dream, and I'd really like to get there. You know, I'd like to live it just like everybody else. You know, also, this is Coda. Coda, say hi. He's my official mascot, I guess you could say. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. More to come. I'm hoping this week we'll be getting those compounds actually set up now that we've done all the preparations. Yeah, please like, subscribe. Really appreciate anybody that watches these videos, all like 20 of you so far. But thanks. Have a good one. Bye.
It's electric.